It always starts the same. You stayed up late last night, again. Not because you had work, not because you were out. You were just on your phone, scrolling, watching, clicking, one thing after another. Then the alarm rings. You hear it, but you don't move. You're tired, not just in your body, in your soul. So you grab the phone again. Tell yourself, just a few minutes. You check messages, watch one video, then another. Suddenly it's been 2 hours. You're still in bed. Your mouth feels dry, your back hurts, and now the guilt creeps in. But instead of getting up, you scroll again. This is what nobody talks about, that stuck feeling where you're not doing anything. But you also can't do anything. You want to clean your room, apply for that job, work on your body, learn that skill, but you just sit there watching other people live their lives. That's not a phase, that's a trap. This is modern slavery, not in chains, but in comfort that numbs you, in distractions that keep you busy but empty. And the worst part, no one's forcing you. You do it to yourself. That's the trick. That's the devil's game. He doesn't show up with fire and horns. He shows up as endless content, as a soft bed, as fake motivation that dies in 10 minutes. He whispers, "Start tomorrow." He says, "You're too tired today." And you listen, every time. But you weren't born for this. You weren't meant to rot in comfort. There is a version of you that's stronger, clearer, sharper. But you'll never meet them if you don't break out of this cycle. Start with one thing. Put the phone down. Get up. Drink water. Clean one corner of your room. Go outside. Feel the sun. It's not about doing everything today. It's about not letting the devil win again. Because every day you stay stuck, he gets stronger. And you get further from the life you were meant to live.